Hey guys. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done my last video on YouTube, and I know that my channel kind of died. But hey, I'm trying to get back into it. So yeah, so the idea was back 3 years ago when I started this YouTube channel. The idea was more to share with you guys more about building my product and get this product into production, getting customers, users, and update you on day-to-day, like kind of style of vlogging, working out my way to build this this product. And one of the main reasons was to taught myself into product development and management of a small project. And it's kind of like was a little bit wrong idea, I felt. Maybe not, I don't know. I think just the future gonna show me if it was a good or bad idea. But then when I continued working on this project, there was a lot of things that was happening, and when you have to deal with a lot of problems and bugs and everything that's happening on the project, then you wanted to deliver in a certain time. So I usually set a lot of like thresholds that I wanted to achieve during this development of this project, and this caused me a lot of burnouts. There was even a funny day where a friend of mine, he asked me like how I could wake up 5 a.m. every day, how I could stay motivated on this project, and how I didn't quit on this project yet. And one of the things I remember saying to him was, I thought of quitting every day. Every day I wake up and I start my day thinking of quitting. But when I sit down here and I look at the code and start coding, this feeling of quitting faded straight away. So the process of going and creating habit of like building this project, it was very interesting, and something that I've learned so much about it. It was building habits actually make you more productive in certain ways. So I was kind of like more I'm turning myself into a more productive person to the last 3 years. So it wasn't all that bad, but at the same time, when I started this project, I started alone, and of course I have some friends along the way that they helped me. But the reality was, my friends, they were there out to help me, but they wasn't fully committed to the project the way that I was, which means they see this project as a hobby for them, as something that they're not going to take anything out of that, rather than make their friend happy. And I'm very grateful for that. But at the same time, I was in a different mindset, in a different mood back in the day, and because I want to really make this happen. I want to make this become a viable product with customers and users using it. So I felt kind of alone for a long time. Yeah, and just after 2.5 years doing that by myself, I was encouraged to do some like customers researching and trying to find potential customers for the product, something that I hadn't did until that moment, at that point. And something that one of the mistakes that I made, I believe. And during this customer research, I found my co-founders, so the people that invested in me, and they jump into the project and say, look, we believe in you, we believe in your project, let's make this happen. This was amazing, and for a long time since I started this project, I didn't felt alone doing something and without any help. When I say alone as well, it doesn't mean that alone in my whole life. I was saying more alone during this project. I felt there no one was on board with me on this crazy bandwagon that I set up for me to do. But I have other stuff in my life. I have my normal job, I have my family, and all of these was they all was good things that I have in my life. But the feeling of being alone on this project was looks like an anchor that was dragging down everything else. And having these partners coming along this year kind of gave me a little bit more courage, breath, and power to go forward. But all the years that I've been feeling alone, it took a toll this last year, and it was difficult. It was a difficult moment because we tried to do a lot of raising this year, and we were very unsuccessful. And this, like, when you are unsuccessful on something that you're building and you hold very, very close to your heart, it's very difficult to see that nobody else on this VC world give a crap about you, about the project. And it doesn't matter the vision that you have, what else you want to bring to the table. It doesn't matter at the end of the day for them. What matters is numbers, and numbers, that's something that we didn't have properly. Or maybe we have, but we still didn't have the right messaging to send to them, something that I've been failing so hard during these years. And which result what we're gonna do next. So ClusterStack is closing, and we're gonna salvage most of the stuff that we have there, and we're gonna split into different projects. So one of them we're gonna be releasing at the end of January, beginning of February. You're gonna be hearing from this project soon. And for the YouTube channel, I'm gonna be doing more proof of concept this year, and I wanted to start doing different stuff. I wanted to do some commentaries on some ideas or some technology that's emerging, or some companies that have been emerging as well. It's something that I wanted to do on this YouTube channel now. And because I've been doing a lot, I've been posting a lot of different type of articles on LinkedIn, and I believe they are worth doing a video of it. So I'll be doing this as well, and I believe I'm going to be moving more on this channel. You guys are going to be hearing more from me now. So yeah, so what do you think about all of that? What are your thoughts on like building a product alone? And what do you think I should be doing next? Leave this on the comment down below, and leave a like as well. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you next.